So hi guys, let's continue for the second part, the everyday workflow, or the usual flow that we will do on this course. So these are the commands that say we will mainly use on our projects. So git pull. This commands is on the first topic that I sent. So the descriptions are already there. So I'll just go to each and explain briefly. So git pull, you will pull the changes or the code from the origin, or basically from GitHub. So whatever your teammates or groupmates pushed in there, you can get the changes using this git pull command. So git checkout b, so create a new branch. So we will also the good practice is to implement branching. So I will demo this one later. So git status, status of the file, like modified, add, or deleted. So git add, state your files, meaning the files you will add or push to the GitHub. You will use this command here. Commit, snapshot, then whatever message you wanna have in that commit, then push, meaning upload to GitHub. So for the git pull, in the repo that we had earlier, we don't have any changes yet. So what I will do, I will go back to this git pull command for now. Let me do the git add and git from the git. I will start from the git add. So let's say I will create. Right now we don't have any file, just the default .git. So I will create let me empty file, say description. So right now, we have the MD file. So when I do a git status, so this one, the files in red are untracked files, meaning these are new files. So with git add period, meaning stage everything. So any files, all files that will be listed here will be staged, or you can also do git add the specific file name. I forgot to add on this slide the most important file, the git ignore file. Git ignore. So right now we have this git ignore file. Basically, this git ignore file, it won't stage or track whatever files listed in here. So right now the env file is listed on the git ignore file. So even if I create a .env file, it won't get tracked. So example, I will create 3000. So there's the env file. So when I do a git status, env file won't be listed here because it's git ignored. So let's say in a sample in a Node.js project, basically the most large files in there is the node modules. I'll show us simple project. But this one, it's just a sample project I've been working on. So here's a git ignore file sample. So these files will be ignored, meaning it won't be tracked on git. So let's say on VS Code you can check the files. Basically it will get like light or light color. In a Node.js project, yeah, node modules, you must ignore this one because these are dependencies, and basically it's a very large directory. Sometimes it reaches gigs in size depending on the project. So just the purpose, yeah, for TLDR, git ignore. Basically, it's a file where you write or put inside the files that you wanna ignore or untrack in Git projects. So yeah, we're getting sidetracked, but yeah, that's the git ignore file. Yeah, I will do this one, the git add command. So git status git add. I will do git add period. So basically, I will push these two files in GitHub. So git status again should turn green. So when it is already green, meaning it's already staged, these files. So the next part, next command is commit. So the command is git commit -m, then whatever message you wanna attach to that commit. So git commit and say 4 files. Then it will return this response. So that's then push origin. So to push or the default branch or to list the branches, you can do git branch. So by default it's main in GitHub. Previously it was master, but right now it's main. Basically on the first push, you can set whatever branch name you wanna do. So for simplicity, let's just stick with main. So after commit, yeah, let's push to GitHub. Git push origin. So once completed or done, yeah, you must see the same, almost the same response. So when we refresh our repo, should see something like this. So the two files that we stage, then the commit message that we have. Then you can also check this commit SHA, the hash or SHA here. Then yeah, these files are what we just created. So that's the default workflow. Let's go back here. I guess I missed something. Let's be oh yeah, the git pull command. So for this one, I'll just do a changes here in the browser, and I will pull it on my machine. So yeah, to have this UI or to have this view from the repo or from here, just press the period button, then yeah, it will open this view here like a VS Code. So I'll do changes here manually. So changes from the web, then from the web, yeah, you can just use this UI here like a VS Code. So this button here will run the git add period command. Then here's the message in the git commit -m, the message you wanna put. So changes from here git changes from then just click this one, commit and push. So when I will refresh this one, should reflect here. So changes from the web, then should be total of 2 commits already. So to get those changes on my machine, so right now, yeah, there's these changes from the web doesn't exist on my local machine. So to fetch these changes, I will do just git pull. Personally, I append origin then the branch name, but yeah, you can just do git pull. Or anyway, just do this one: git pull origin main, git pull origin, then the branch name, which is main from here. So I'll run this one. Then yeah, you can basically see the files that are changed here. So like if there are multiple files. So when we check again, so yeah, it's already here. The changes has been pulled from the GitHub. So yeah, those are the commands. And for the next part, I'll just demo how to do the branching and a PR or pull request, so that yeah, your code won't be messed up, like you won't push directly to your main branch. So yeah, we'll continue on the next part.